guys, my name is Alyssa Cerna and I'm going to be talking about my overall experience with DFW Lash University. Just a few of my main goals whenever I started off were to submit my assignments on time, stay on top of everything, and overall just complete the program on time. And I definitely did achieve these goals, and I achieved them by staying determined, staying positive, staying confident, and overall just being very disciplined. I was very disciplined, very committed to the program, and I prioritized it. This one is going to be a very big yes for me because this program is very well organized. It's very well spoken, very well taught. It's really easy to read the instructions and get a really good idea of what you need to do and what you're expected to do. This program was just overall amazing and gave me, honestly, all the practice and experience that I needed. Of course, there were assignments where you're just gaining a lot of knowledge, you're reading and taking notes, but then again, there are also so many assignments that just get you used to the flow of everything. And that just includes like getting familiar with holding the tweezers, picking up lashes, dipping them in adhesives, things like that. There's so many assignments that just helped me get used to the flow of everything. And so I will definitely say that I got enough and a lot of hands-on experience that I very well needed. I definitely do feel very confident and I feel very comfortable. Of course, there are times where I doubt myself, but confidence is key. If I have all the knowledge that I need, I have all the skill, I have all the practice, I need to be confident in what I'm doing because confidence will help you excel so much further than if you're doing something without confidence. So I definitely do feel comfortable and confident, and yeah. Were the instructors or staff accessible and supportive when I needed assistance? This is also going to be a very big yes for me. My personal experience with the instructors and the staff was absolutely amazing. My instructor was always there whenever I needed her. She always answered all my questions, explained things thoroughly to me. And one of the biggest things that she did that I appreciated the most was she gave me that little push and that little motivation when I needed it. And it's always so great to have someone like that to just give you that little push that you need in maybe a time of doubt. This one is also going to be a yes. This program is amazing at preparing you for these exams. They teach you everything you need to know. They prepare you, you practice, and I feel like that's very important because I'm very confident in going and taking my exams, and I know that this program prepared me so much for these exams. So yes, I had an overall amazing experience with DFW Lash University, and I think this program is just amazing. Everything about it is amazing. This program is everything that you need and more. I would definitely just say, stay positive, stay motivated, and stay disciplined. I know that there are times where you're doubting yourself and you might be overwhelmed or exhausted, but just remember why you did this program. Remember what you're working towards, and do not give up because hard work does pay off. And this program, or I am actually a perfect example of that. I would get maybe a little overwhelmed and kind of exhausted, but I just kept going and it paid off. So my next steps are to take my exams, pass my exams, and then start working. I absolutely love DFW Lash University, and I would recommend it to anyone who is wanting to get started in this industry. So thank you guys, and for future lash artists, I wish you the best of luck.